In this video, I'll introduce you to the ability to exclude multiple components from the Solution Builder quoting. Once you're logged in into fabric.equinix.com, go to the Solution Builder menu and select Build Solutions. Select the solution diagram you want to include or exclude the resources from. Next, select the resources. For demo, I will select single device from the virtual device list. To exclude resources while you are creating your diagram, click on the resource and click the Exclude from Pricing icon. To exclude resources while configuring it, click Exclude from Pricing at the bottom of the dialog. Once the resources have been excluded, it will show as excluded in pricing summary. Also, when the solution is downloaded, it will not show the excluded resources. To add the excluded resources back into pricing summary, click on the resource and then click the Include in Pricing icon. The resource can also be included back by clicking on Configuration, followed by clicking on Include in Pricing. Once the resources are included, they will show up under Pricing Summary and the Solution Builder download code. Note, for redundant devices, both the primary and secondary fabric planes are updated in conjunction with the other. That is, if primary plane is selected as excluded, then secondary will be excluded as well, and vice versa. That completes this demo. Thanks for watching.